This is how to install Blowoff valves specifically on a 2015 Ford Focus ST. Here's the tools you'll need. First, you need a jack and jack stands or a hydraulic lift. You'll need a 3/8 inch ratchet, extension, and swivel, an impact wrench, a 19mm impact socket, a 5mm Allen socket, needle nose pliers, a 1/2 inch torque wrench, a flashlight, safety glasses, and lastly, the blow-off valve itself. And here's that list again. If you do not have an impact, break loose all of the lug nuts on the ground. Next, lift the car up from the pinch weld. If the car is too low to lift with the jack easily, then have a friend lift up on the fender well. Lift the car both until it's high enough for the jack stand to fit under and until the wheel is well off the ground. Find a good spot either on the pinch weld or the frame for the jack stand and put the jack stand on the highest possible setting under the car. Next, gently lower the car onto the jack stand. Now that the car is in the air, take the lug nuts the rest of the way off and remove the wheel. Or if you have an impact, you can take the lug nuts off completely with that. Next, remove the wheel and place it somewhere where it won't fall over. This is what the bypass valve looks like. It's pretty far back in the fender well, so you have to use a 3/8 socket, extension, swivel, and the 5mm Allen socket to get to the 3 bolts holding it in, and just wrench on them for a while until they come out. Next, use your needle nose pliers to take off the vacuum line from the factory bypass valve. Once your vacuum line's off, it should be pretty easy to take the bypass valve out of the way. You will then slide the blow-off valve under the factory brackets that the bypass valve came out of and line all the holes up for the bolts to go back in. Next, you're going to use your 3/8 ratchet, extension, swivel, and 5mm Allen socket to put the 3 bolts back into place, holding the blow-off valve. You will then use the needle nose pliers to put the vacuum line back on the fitting provided on the blow-off valve. This is what the blow-off valve looks like when properly installed. Lift the wheel to the hub and put the studs through the holes in the wheel. Put the lug nuts back on, get them at least a quarter of the way tight if you're going to hit them with an impact, and get them hand tight if you're going to lower the vehicle and then torque them. Lift the vehicle back up off of the jack stands and remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the vehicle to the ground. Set the torque wrench to 100 pound-feet and torque the lug nuts in a star pattern.